method. In this video I'm making a kidney bean curry, also known as a Rajma Masala. I'm going to make it very spicy. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. I will love you forever. To make this delicious Rajma Masala, you need 240 grams of kidney beans, 3 garlic cloves, a knob of ginger, 1 habanero chili or jalapeno, depending on how spicy you like it. I've got 2 medium white onions, I've got half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander, quarter teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of garam masala. I've got 2 tablespoons of vegan whipped cream and 390 grams of chopped tomatoes. The final thing to add is I've got some vegan butter to cook it in. You can use olive oil or a vegetable oil. So the first thing to do is put the butter in the frying pan, and while that is warming up I then chop the onions. I'm going to chop them into quarters so they'll be quite chunky, and then they'll go into the pan and we want to cook them until they're translucent. So next I'm going to chop up the chili, the garlic and the ginger, and then I'm going to put that into a pestle and mortar and give it a good bashing and squash it up as much as possible until it forms into a paste. Then I'm going to add the spices in. This will help it all mix together and actually form it into a paste. And then once that is done, it'll go into the frying pan with the onions and give it a good stir around, and the onions will start taking on some of the flavour of the spices. The smell at this point is amazing, so what we're going to do is add in the chopped tomatoes, stir that around. Again, it will break down the spice mixture and it will infuse flavour into the sauce, and then we're going to add the kidney beans. So it's nicely thickened up, and all I need now to add in is the whipping cream, and then I'll give that a really good mix. I'll bring up the temperature slightly just to help it reduce a little bit more, and then it is ready to serve. So one last close up just to show you what it looks like. It's turned out perfectly, and it's such an easy curry to make. You don't need many spices and it tastes amazing. So this is the final dish. I've served it on a bed of basmati rice, and now I'm going to go and eat and enjoy my Rajma Masala. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please feel free to like, subscribe or leave your comments below.